Have you ever had a night where you just couldn't sleep and blamed it on the full moon? It sounds like an old wives' tale, right? But what if there's a surprising scientific truth behind it? Let's dive into how the moon actually affects your sleep and mood in ways you probably haven't heard before. First off, no, the moon doesn't make you turn into a werewolf. But there's more to it than just folklore. In 2013, Swiss researchers found that during a full moon, participants took 5 minutes longer to fall asleep, slept for around 20 minutes less, and had 30% less deep sleep. Even in a totally dark, windowless room, where they couldn't see the moon at all. That's wild. And it's not just a one-off. Similar results have popped up in studies across the globe from Argentina to the UK. But why would the moon, floating 384,000 kilometers away, mess with your head at night? Here's where it gets fascinating. One theory points to our biological clocks called circadian rhythms. These run on a roughly 24-hour cycle, but scientists have also spotted patterns that sync up with the moon's 29.5-day lunar cycle. Our ancestors evolved under moonlight, hunting, gathering, and socializing by its glow. Some experts think we might have inherited a kind of lunar clock, hardwired into our brains and bodies, that subtly responds to the moon's phase, but it goes deeper. A study on the Toba Calm people in Argentina, who live with little artificial light, showed the moon's effect on sleep is strongest in places without city lights. The brighter the moon, the later people went to bed and the less they slept. So even in the age of smartphones, our brains might still be wired to follow the moon's lead. And what about your mood? Well, some research suggests shifts in mood, particularly for those with mood disorders like bipolar disorder, can line up with the lunar cycle. It's not that the moon causes mood swings, but its effect on sleep could be the culprit. Less deep sleep means more irritability, less patience, and even a lowered immune system. Surprisingly, there's even a theory about gravity. During a full or new moon, the gravitational pull on Earth is strongest. Think of the tides in the ocean. Some scientists have wondered if this pull subtly affects the water in our bodies, which are, after all, about 60% water. There's no hard proof yet, but it's a hypothesis researchers are still exploring. So next time you toss and turn during a full moon, don't just blame it on superstition. You might be feeling the ancient tug of lunar rhythms, a hidden connection between your brain, your sleep, and the celestial dance happening above your head. If you found this fascinating, hit subscribe for more surprising science every week. And maybe keep an eye on the sky tonight, just in case.